Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to check if iPhone is refurbished or new or replacement. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you want to check if your iPhone is restored, then watch the video to the end and you will learn how to do it. So first of all, go to the phone settings, then select general and click about. As you can see, the data about your phone is presented here. We are interested in the model number. If your number starts with the letter M, it means a new smartphone that was bought from Apple. If it is start with the letter F, the smartphone has been restored by Apple or the operator. Such smartphones are considered as new. If P, then the smartphone is engraved. It happens that users make an official engraving on their gadgets. And if the letter N is like mine, that the device was provided as a replacement for a faulty iPhone. Here is a simple way. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye. Have a nice day.